Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita, and in today's video I will be doing a beautiful fake plant DIY, fake plant arrangement, guys. I've seen these done so much on YouTube and I want to try this one out. So I'm going to do this one using flowers or plants, fake plants that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, guys. How beautiful are these? I'm gonna be using these with this beautiful pot that I picked up from the Family Dollar store. So I'm gonna put these in here, and of course I'm gonna incorporate a little bit of color in it, guys. So stay tuned. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit subscribe and just become a part of the Decor and DIY family. Here on my channel I post daily vlogs on decor, DIY styling, and Dollar Tree decor, Dollar Tree DIY decor, guys. To my oldest but goodies, thank you guys so much for sticking with me. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I've seen the new people coming in and I just want to thank you guys so much. Love you all. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. So for this floral arrangement, I will be using this beautiful flower pot purchased from the Family Dollar store for $1.25, and this floral foam purchased from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, guys. This DIY is going to be very economical and beautiful and very easy to do. So I'm just taking the floral foam out of its wrapper, and all I'm going to be doing is gluing it down to my pot. So friends, I highly recommend you add some form of weight to the pot, like some stones or something, sand or something like that to the pot, because if you're going to be using this outside, the wind can surely blow it away, guys, because it's light. So definitely go ahead and add some stones or sand to the bottom of the pot. So at this time I'm just fluffing it a little bit and going around to check to see if there's any gap for me to fill out with some more flowers, guys. That's why I'm spinning it around like this. But if you have made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, guys. I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours, so it means a lot to me when you watch my video until the end. So thank you guys so much. And here's the reveal of my outdoor fake floral arrangement, guys. If you like this one, please drop your comment down below in the comment section, guys. I think it's absolutely beautiful and I'm in love with the outcome of it, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your family and friends, you guys. Until next time, be creative and be blessed. Bye bye.